Civil engineering projects today are more complex, more interconnected, and more time-sensitive than ever before. Delivering sustainable designs on schedule and within budget is no longer just a technical challenge. It is a test of how effectively a team can access and mobilize talent from across the world. Many design firms are now discovering that global resources are not simply a way to cut costs, but a pathway to innovation, resilience, and superior outcomes. This shift marks a fundamental change in how the industry thinks about expertise, capacity, and partnership. In the past, outsourcing in civil engineering was often seen as a purely transactional activity. A firm would contract out drafting or calculations to an external provider and expect a product to be returned. Communication gaps were common and quality was inconsistent. Today, a new model is emerging. Instead of treating outsourcing as a simple service, forward-looking firms are building long-term strategic relationships with specialized engineering hubs that integrate seamlessly into their operations. These partners become an extension of the internal team, not a separate entity. When this is done well, time zone differences become an advantage rather than an obstacle, allowing work to progress around the clock. Delivery cycles accelerate, and projects benefit from diverse international experience and fresh perspectives. One example of this approach is AXA Engineers, which has developed a model for connecting highly skilled engineers with design firms worldwide. Rather than supplying temporary staff, the company focuses on building stable teams trained to integrate into client projects, apply advanced software tools, and uphold rigorous quality standards. This model creates consistent, reliable deliverables that give project owners confidence from start to finish. By cultivating progressive mindsets and deep project ownership among its engineers, the company illustrates how global collaboration can be transformed from a risk into a strategic asset. The benefits of working with global resources extend beyond extra capacity. Access to specialized knowledge allows firms to handle complex infrastructure challenges without lengthy recruitment. Round-the-clock progress cycles reduce the time needed to complete drawings, models, and documentation. Diverse perspectives lead to innovative solutions that may not emerge within a single market. When combined with robust quality management and data protection protocols, outsourcing becomes a way to improve standards rather than compromise them. For civil engineering teams, partnering with providers that follow a disciplined model similar to AXA Engineers makes it possible to move beyond the feast or famine cycle of staffing. Large pools of engineers and CAD experts, flexible work models operating across different time zones, and strong confidentiality measures allow capacity to be scaled up or down as needed without jeopardizing quality or security. Intellectual property is safeguarded, deadlines are met more easily, and in-house staff are freed to focus on their core strengths such as client relationships, design leadership, and innovation. This shift also highlights the human side of global collaboration. Sustainable success in civil engineering depends on more than processes and technology. It requires teams of people who feel empowered to take ownership of the work, communicate clearly, and continuously improve. Providers built on these principles attract and retain top talent, which in turn delivers consistency and peace of mind for project owners over time. Rather than a revolving door of short-term staff, clients gain a stable and motivated team that understands their standards and can deliver quality through every project phase. As civil engineering projects grow more ambitious and interconnected, relying solely on local resources can limit potential. Global collaboration offers access to specialized expertise, 24-hour progress cycles, and innovative solutions shaped by diverse perspectives. It allows firms to balance workloads, accelerate timelines, and meet the increasing expectations of regulators, clients, and communities for safe, sustainable, and cost-effective infrastructure. In this environment, choosing the right partner is not just an operational decision but a strategic one. At AXA Engineers, this model of combining advanced technology, disciplined processes, and a culture of responsibility demonstrates how civil engineering teams can achieve bigger success with greater speed, quality, and security. By embracing global resources thoughtfully, teams not only deliver projects more efficiently, but also contribute to a legacy of sustainable infrastructure and professional excellence. The lesson is clear. Global collaboration, when built on trust and rigorous standards, is no longer an option for ambitious civil engineering firms. It is a powerful tool for shaping the future of the industry.